How you doing? My name is Tom with Kizen Enterprise. Today we've been working on making this little trim. It is 3/16 by a quarter, and I'm going to show you what's great about the Kizen Miter Fence is that we've got it set up with these plastic tips. The saw is running right against the side of this fence. So when I come to make my cut, I'm going to slide her over and come in here, and I got it right against that tip. I've already got my stops already set. I'm gonna come over, slip there, come back around this way. I've got no blowout, nice cuts, use the tips. It's the advantage of the Kizen Miter Fence. Thanks for watching.